Okay, now you know how I feel when I do my opening, right? Okay, this is how my class did it, and then you can see how difficult it is. See, all of them are like celebrities, 好像明星，马上立马就说 like 剪掉剪掉 take 2, take 3, take 4. Hi everybody, did you enjoy the new opening, the new intro that I had? Okay, so this is for the people who didn't come on Friday because you guys went to the children's amusement park. So the opening is for, let's see, who didn't come on Friday? Murphy, Noah, Sean L didn't come. Okay, who else didn't come? Hannah didn't come. Okay, so hopefully you guys all enjoyed it. We had, again, a crazy class, and the boys are super talkative. I don't know why. The girls are quieter than the boys, okay? And we're going to continue class. And on Friday, everybody decided that we're not going to have the test because a lot of the students were missing. So let me remind you, our first unit test is on Wednesday. Our first unit test is on Wednesday. So please prepare your student book, page 50 to 54. 50到54页的 student book， 请你们要准备哦。所以单字的部分，还有那个文法的部分，句型的部分 ，OK? Which are taller, African elephants or Asian elephants, okay? And then the 比较级 part. And then the red-eyed tree frog reading, it's going to show up in the true and false portion of the test, okay? And then also, for the spotlight reading, it's unit 9. Spotlight reading is unit 9. So be prepared for the vocabulary words in unit 9 and the grammar patterns too. So on Friday, what I did for class is I introduced our new unit. Our new unit is page 56. 56 in our student book. And the title of the new unit is, Have you ever seen a panda? Have you ever seen a panda? So, yes, I have. I have seen a panda. 所以这个单元的文法句型就会带到完成式哦。你们差不多到了国1或国2才会遇到完成式，所以我现在就介绍给你们这个形态，然后你们可能你们有一些会到 Teacher Carol 的班明年 and then you'll get more practice on that. And then once you get to junior high, you should be okay with the perfect tense, okay? 这个的形态就是你从以前到现在，你曾经有没有看过 panda? Okay, 所以它的 timeline 是从以前到现在 like span very long time, okay? The span of time is very long, is what I wanted to say. 所以 have you ever seen a panda? 你曾经有没有看过熊猫猫熊呢？ I don't know. 熊猫猫熊 I don't know how to say that in English. Okay, so get your books ready. We're going to go over the vocabulary words. So a lot of you were complaining that my video was about like 24 minutes long and it's getting longer and longer. So for this video, I'm gonna try to make it very short, as short as possible. Okay, I'm gonna try for 20 minutes, okay, if I can. So 56. The first vocabulary word is hammock. Hammock. Orchard. Notice that it doesn't look like how it's spelled, okay? Churd, it's a okay? Orchard. Traditional clothes. Traditional clothes. Mosquito. Mosquito. Acrobat. Acrobat. Rainforest. Rainforest. So I went over the meanings on Friday, but I am going to ask you again on Wednesday as well. Okay, let's go to section B. The 2 questions and how they are asked. Okay, number 1. Have you ever picked apples? Yes, I have. I went to an orchard last year. So 有 have 的问题就有 Okay, so the second one, have you ever been bitten by a mosquito? Yes, I have. I was bitten yesterday. 然后礼拜五的时候，我有解释说 picked is the 完成式 form of the verb, and then so is bitten. Okay, so I am going to ask you again on Wednesday what the regular verb is. Okay, I know we're moving fast already, right? We're moving fast. Okay, so on page 57, I have a dialogue, and let's read it together. Don't just leave me hanging and then just, I read it. Everybody read together. So let's start together. Max, ready, go. How was your trip to the rainforest? It was amazing. We saw a lot of birds and monkeys. Cool. I've never seen a wild monkey. That was my first time. I also slept in a hammock for the first time. Have you ever slept in one? No, I haven't. They're comfortable. The second part. What else did you do? Well, I was bitten by a lot of mosquitoes. Ha 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 ha. We went to a traditional village one day. What did you do there? I played one of the traditional musical instruments. Could you play it? Not really. It was my first time. Okay, so if you looked at the blue sentences over here, okay, the first blue sentence is, I've never seen a wild monkey, meaning 他从来都没有看过一只 wild monkey 过. All right. I also slept in a hammock for the first time. So have you slept in a hammock before? I haven't. I've seen many, many hammocks, but I've never slept in a hammock before. Okay, 我也是很怕被蚊子咬. I'm very afraid of mosquitoes. So I'm thinking if I slept in a hammock in the backyard or at the park, I'm going to get bitten by a ton of mosquitoes. So I never do it. Okay, the third blue sentence is, I was bitten by a lot of mosquitoes. Okay, just like what I said. All right, if you're at the park playing, you might get bitten by a lot of mosquitoes. All right, so on Friday, I went over the questions too in section D. All right, so if you haven't written them down, 就是没有来的人，现在就可以开始写了。We're at page 57, section D. So I say the question, you can answer it. Okay, so who saw a wild monkey for the first time? Okay, number 2. Has Max ever slept in a hammock? That was a really simple answer, 3 words only, okay? Number 3, what did Rachel do in the traditional village? Was it her first time? Okay, hopefully you said it out loud. Bonus question time. Okay, here comes my first bonus question. My first bonus question is, what I want you to do is, on page 58, 最上面的 58, above the talk chest, you need to write down this question and answer. OK, 你没有写下来那就不算哦，不可以拿到卡，而且要把字都拼对，文法也对，标点符号也对，才可以算哦。Okay, so on page 58, on the top, what I want you to write is, have you ever been to France? No, I haven't. I want to go next year. One more time. Have you ever been to France? No, I haven't. I want to go next year. Okay, I'm only going to say it 2 times. Write it down on page 58 on the top. 你写在下面就不算咯，一定要在上面那个位置哦。Good luck. So we are totally done with the student book for now. Okay, so I'm going to go to our Spotlight Reading book, and what I'm going to do is 检讨我们礼拜五，应该是上个礼拜3，没有。礼拜五的时候 we went over pages 82, 83, and 84. 然后我们要检讨一下说，我们错的地方在哪里，然后为什么错。 我是在讲说大部分人错的地方在哪。So I want you to turn to page 83, 83, 83. So a lot of you got number 1 wrong, okay? So the question goes like this. The kitten was cute. It was soft. Okay, the choices are eyes were soft, color was soft, ears were soft, fur was soft. 很多人都写 C for ears, 可是不可以是 ears, 因为 ears 是 plural, okay, more than one. 然后你这边后面接着 was 啊，就不对了。So you cannot say its ears was soft. 一定要接着 were if you wanted to choose C. So the only answer that is possible is D, 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 D. Even though some of you are like, Teacher Sue, ears are soft too. 不过文法错啦，所以不可以接 ears. Okay, 那我看到第二题也有很多人错 which is, I got excited at the blah, blah of the cute kittens. Okay, so a lot of you probably wrote C, fur. Okay, 就是 I got excited at the fur of the cute kitten. 就是你看到那个猫咪的毛，你就很兴奋。Actually, we don't really get excited because of the fur. That doesn't make sense, actually. Okay, what the correct answer is A, sight. Sight meaning like when you see it at first sight. Okay, when you first look at it, 你第一眼看到你就觉得猫咪好可爱哦。Alright, 所以一定是 A. Okay, it's not frog or land, and it's not fur. Fur wouldn't make sense. Okay. Also, number 5, 也有很多人错。Number 5 was Henry sad, blah blah blah. No, he blah blah blah. Okay, 如果你真的不知道的话 ，No, he 要接什么 ？wasn't 或 weren't， 你自己想想看 ，he 要接什么？那 he 肯定是接 wasn't 啊 ，right？ 所以 wasn't 只有 B 跟 D 可以。好，那我们这个单元又在讲就是过去式，而且它的问题也是过去式，所以 was Henry sad just now? No, he wasn't is the only answer. 因为 D 是讲 tomorrow 就明天了，所以不能配 was. Henry sad tomorrow. That doesn't make sense. Grammatically, that does not make sense. Okay? On page 83, the part B, okay, a lot of you got number 2 wrong. The fill in the complete passage part. Okay, 所以很多人就在那边争说Teacher Sue, 为什么不是什么另外一些答案? Well, take a look at this. It says, our pets were very cute. The correct answer you should write is, they were a part of our family. 是正面的哦，你看看 A, B 跟 D 都是负面的。They never played with us, 不可能啊。They like to fight, 不可能，又是负面的。D, they got angry all the time, so that can't be it either. All right, all 3 of them are negative sentences. The only positive sentence is C, they were part of our family. 它是我们家庭的一部分，因为它后面又接着 there was a cute dog in our yard. Its name was Bob. Bob was a golden dog. So logically, in your mind, that should make sense. Okay? 接下来第84页，我看到很多人都错第2题，84页的 passage. Okay, so the question goes like this. According to the passage, which of the following statements is not true? Not true. 所以有一个是 false, 3个是 true. The correct answer is D. 然后你们很多人都争说，没有啊，什么那个第2段的不是这样讲。来，你听听 Teacher Sue 要讲什么。第2段讲说 Peter was not able to hold the frog still. 这个的意思是说，这个青蛙一直跑来跑去，因为 it won't stay still. OK, 它没有待在同一个地方。The frog wanted to go back into the water. 这个就暗示啦 OK, 它想要回去水里面。It was on the table and then on the chair, meaning it's moving around already. OK, so the only answer you can have for number 2 is the frog stayed at Peter's side. OK, because the 问题问说 which is not true. Okay? I hope you understood what I talked about, and I hope by explaining this, you will be clear on why you chose the wrong answer. Okay? We are totally done with our lessons. Yay! I told you I'm going to make this video a little bit shorter. Okay, so my bonus question number 2 is Teacher Sue wanted to challenge you guys to harder vocabulary words because I want you just to know more, okay? 那 Teacher Sue 就上网查说，美国现在的5年级生需要知道什么的单字哦 ，OK？ 所以一系列几百多个单字，那 Teacher Sue 就会慢慢每个礼拜介绍，在美国5年级的学生必须要知道什么英文单字 ，OK？ So Teacher Sue is going to introduce 3 of these vocabulary words to you. 哎呀，如果按照就是台湾人来，就是台湾的英文学习程度来讲，这些字你现在看到的 Teacher Sue 等一下介绍的这些字呢，可能我觉得是高中吧，高一才会看到，所以你们就提前先知道咯，提前先知道，所以 that's very good. Okay, the 3 words, I'm going to say them. You are going to look them up and then look up the meaning and then tell me how it's spelled on Wednesday. Okay? So, number 1, devour. 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 Number 2, envious. 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 Number 3, influence. 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 Okay, good luck, boys and girls. I hope you can figure out how to spell them and then look up the meanings as well.
哎，超好吃的，超好吃的。你干嘛一直笑啊？
So on Friday, I let you try my snack that I brought back from Thailand, which was cocoa milk durian. And some people liked it and some people hated it. I thought it was so-so. So today I'm also going to introduce what I bought in Thailand, and I'm going to share it with you guys on Wednesday. And so this is actually called solar dried natural banana. Okay, solar dried natural banana. So it's a banana snack. So I'm going to try it now and see what it tastes like. 我礼拜三一定会问你们哦, what did I eat? And hopefully you can get it, okay? Opening it now. Oh, comes in a little package like this. Solar dried natural banana. It kind of looks like this. What a weird thing. That's a weird texture. Yeah. All right. Oh, weird taste. All right. I'm going to share this with you on Wednesday and see if you like it too. 怎么每次从泰国买的东西要尝试就觉得好吃，就味道怪怪的。All right. I almost forgot to tell you guys. Oh, how can I forget? The sentences that I want you to write after you see my video. Leave a comment. All right. So what I want you to do is make a sentence with mosquito, orchard, and Kyle. Okay. 请你造句子，然后留言在我的影片哦。Okay. One more time. Mosquito, orchard, 跟 Kyle 这3个。OK， 请你留言，不要忘记上一次只有3-4个人留言 ，Teacher Sue 希望越来越多。 Okay? So for now, I will see you guys on Wednesday. It's getting late at night. It's like almost 12, all right? I gotta go to bed. All right. See you guys all on Wednesday. Bye-bye.